How to digitally sign a PDF. There may be many pages of paperwork for you to sign when beginning new employment or receiving project-related paperwork. For example, you might be in a jam because you can't sign the documents without first printing them out, and you might not have access to a scanner to upload them once you've signed them. To help you get your documents from A to B quickly and easily, we recommend using digital signatures. We will show you in the next few minutes how you can digitally sign documents on Windows and on phone. How to digitally sign a PDF on Windows. To begin digitally signing a PDF, you will need to have Adobe Reader. This software is free, so you can install it. Let's install Adobe Reader. Open your browser. Write on the address bar Adobe Reader. Open the Adobe site. Click on Download Reader. Click again Download Adobe Reader. After the file is downloaded on your PC, open it. Click Yes. Wait until the installation is finished. Click on Finish. Now you have to open the PDF that you want to digitally sign. Click on the pen from the toolbar. Now click on Add Signature. On the signature, you can type your name or use the draw to draw it like a pen. Also, if you have your signature scanned, you can import it with the Image button. You can be sure that the checkbox Save Signature is checked. Click Apply after you finish creating your signature. You can move the signature where you want on the PDF. You have digitally added your signature on Windows. How to digitally sign a PDF on phone. Like on the Windows device, you will need to install Adobe Reader on your phone. Go to the App Store or Play Store and install Adobe Reader. The app is free. Now open the PDF file with Adobe Reader on your phone. Tap on the Edit button. Tap on Fill and Sign. A bottom bar will appear. Click on the pen icon from the bottom bar. Click Create Signature. On the signature, you can type your name or use the draw to draw it like a pen. Also, if you have your signature scanned, you can import it with the Image button. You can be sure that the checkbox Save Signature is checked. Click Done after you finish creating your signature. Now tap on the screen where you wish to add your signature. You can move the signature where you want on the PDF. You have digitally added your signature on phone. This is how you digitally sign a PDF. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.